Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. So I'm passing this camera to someone na birthday niya ngayon. Birthday mo? Ikaw eh. I'm passing this camera to someone who's birthday. Someone.
So I'm passing this camera to someone that is baby face. So hello guys. I'm passing this phone to somebody that have a lot of muscle. Bodybuilder pala, bodybuilder.
Yeah. Just stop na. Ano niya?
I'm passing this camera to someone. Wait, I'm passing this camera to someone who is very sweet.
Hi!
My vlog pa eh.
I'm passing this camera to someone I love.
Passing this. Sandali lang.
Nag-isip siya ng entry niya.
I'm passing this camera to someone like an artista. Yeah! Ayun na! Ano to? Ayun ako sa'yo!
Pinapasa ko tong camera sa asawa ko.
Ay, sa ganun din. Pinapasa ko to kay sister. Oh, grabe! Itong camera na to, pinapasa ko din sa aming leader ng Prayer Warrior sa ating Mimi. Ano ba to? Grabe naman kayo. Pasa ko dito sa aming main mama of the night. Hi, my name is Denise. I am the mother of the celebrant, and I'm passing this cam to my son who is celebrating his birthday today.
Tapos na ako ba?
Wala ka nga passing this camera.
Yo, what's up? What's up? Yo, what's up? Pinapasa ko tong camera na to, pinakamagandang asawa ko.
Pinapasa ko yung camera sa pinakamakulit na batang nakilala ko.
Ayan na, oh. Oo.